This is Charles, and today I'm going to be quickly just telling you how to make a couple of elements of style that I've implemented for the Imperial College iGEM wiki that we've been all working on. So one of the examples of this elements of style are, for example, making the whole page look like this template here. And also making this little gap here that you can see between two content pages, two different parts of the content of the same page. So to do that, I've created a little page. You can find it at /wiki with capital W /tutorials with a capital T. I'll send you the link. So, as you can see here, the page is divided in two, with 2 tutorials and 3 subtitles to this tutorial, to each tutorial, sorry. And in between, there's this famous gap that we wanted to look at. So I'll just start maybe by the importance of hierarchies of how you actually write your titles and the content that goes within it. It's very important that you make sure that after each division and at the start of each content box, like such, you always use a level 1 title. It's very important because the level 1 title that you can do with an equal. As a matter of fact, we'll go and see the source code now. Here, so the titles you can make with equals. It's important that you keep them level 1 at the start of each box, and that is because it makes it much easier for the person who's reading it to have a big title first. Okay. After that, well, I'm sure you know already, is you can create level 2 that are subtitles, and if you want to make subtitles to level 2, you create level 3 by adding one more equal, say like this, on each side of the title. Yes? Okay, I'm just gonna undo that, but yeah. So the start is important. So to make our template look like it's, I'm gonna delete this. To make our empty page look like what we want it to look like, is we need to create those 2 pages here. We need to add double curly brackets, capital I, Imperial /09 /template top with a capital T each time. That will basically create a link that will include the banner, the menu, and the little thing here, the little start of the content, but not the content. The template bottom is after the content here at the bottom, plus the footer. So this will make sure basically that we have a nice and well laid out page like we decided to lay it out. So, and of course in the middle goes the content, so your content here. Okay, so you'll see it. It will now look brilliant. So it does look just normal, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and put the content that we used to put back in there. And I'm now just gonna show you how to make the division. Oops, there you go. That line of code I've just deleted is responsible for the deletion. I'm just gonna show you. So this is how you write your main page. The problem, as you can see, is very cluttered, and the division that we just saw a minute ago is now gone, which makes it, I'm sure we'll all agree, very much more difficult to read. So in order to make that division here, we need to insert a bit of code between transform cells and tutorial 2. Okay, so before each big title, I think we should put a division. And to do that, you invoke this template. So invoking templates in Wiki code is using the double curly brackets, and then Imperial /09 In this directory, by the way, Imperial 09, are all the templates that we need to look at. Okay, so they're all in there. / division with capital D. So this will import the division, sure enough. So there you go. That makes a division in between two titles, and I think at the moment that's all you need to know. It's very easy. If you've got any questions, of course, send me an email, come to me, whatever. Okay? Cool. Well, I'll see you hopefully very soon.